guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing two different Memory Dex cards and they're both going to be Disney themed. I'm using Dollar Tree items other than my paper to create these Disney Memory Dex cards for a Facebook swap. Before I show you how I created these, how simple it is, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to you. So for the first Memory Dex, I picked up this little coloring pack for kids. It was Lion King. I've already taken the cover off and the pad just has one picture here that you could use and the rest, oh no, it has two. And then the rest of the pages are just blank. So, you know, your child could color these, use it as a notepad, and then it did also come with a few stickers, and like I said, it also came with 3 markers. So, here's what I'm going to do for my Disney Lion King Memory Dex. I decided the best thing to do is turn this into a shaker Memory Dex, and I could use the entire image behind where my acetate will be. So that was why I already went ahead and cut this out to size and put my acetate on the back. And then I have my back piece here. And then I also have my piece that's going to be the pocket for my information. I'm going to assemble my pieces now. So this one's ready for now and I'm going to put my pocket on. And I'm just going to glue down here, here, and here. And that will be the pocket for my info. So now you basically just want to figure out where you're going to put your image so that when you put this top piece on, you see what you want to see. So this is pretty much it. And I'm just going to end up using some of my tape. I'm just going to end up using some of this tape here to put this on. Line it up now with where I put my pencil marks. And that's perfect. So the holes are punched on both pieces. I put my foam tape on, my glitter and sequins in. Now we're gonna line this up. And this is how it turned out, guys. This is my Lion King Memory Dex, and I ended up using the Cricut to make the banners with the writing Hakuna Matata, and down here, the Remember Who You Are. That is a line from Mufasa, and I added this little sticker that was in the pack. And that is my Shaker Lion Memory Dex card using Dollar Tree items and just yellow paper and my Cricut machine. And I really think it came out so super cute. And then when you flip it on over, I have that pocket I showed you where I could put a tag with my information right in, just like that. For my second Disney card, I've already cut out the Memory Dex, and then I've put a pocket right in the back here to put my information. And what I did was I cut out this image from a card from the Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna put her on, jazz her up, and that will be my second Disney Memory Dex. And this is how it turned out, guys. On the bottom, where I had to cut her to make her fit, I added a row of ribbon and then the sequin on top. And then I just added some little girly princessy stickers that I got from a play pack from the Dollar Tree, from here. And that's the front, and then I added the same ribbon on the little tag to slip into the pocket with my info. And I think it's adorable, guys. Alright guys, that is it for today. Those were my Disney Memory Dex cards. This is for a Facebook swap, and it is Disney, and that is the theme. I used all the Dollar Tree items, which was only $3 spent to make these Disney, and I really like how they turned out. Please, guys, let me know what you think down below. I just want to remind you guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.